Can an LLC file for H-1B? Yes, an LLC can file for an H-1B visa if it meets U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services USCIS requirements. The LLC must be a legitimate U.S. employer with a valid Employer Identification Number, EIN, and the ability to pay the required wage to the foreign worker. The LLC must also establish an employer-employee relationship with the H-1B worker, meaning it has the authority to hire, pay, supervise, and if necessary, terminate the employee. This can be harder for single-member LLCs if the foreign worker is also the owner, but multi-member LLCs, or those with separate management structures, usually qualify. To sponsor an H-1B, the LLC must first file a Labor Condition Application, LCA, with the Department of Labor, and then submit Form Y-129 to USCIS during the H-1B filing period. Zen Business can help you form and structure your LLC properly so you're ready to handle processes like H-1B sponsorship. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.